Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB for Windows 10. So first of all, you'll need a USB drive with memory of 8 GB or higher, and you need a Windows 10 media creation tool. So first I'm going to show you how to download media creation tool for Windows 10. Let's get started. Click on Google and type in media creation tool for Windows 10. So media creation tool for Windows 10, click on it, and then that will take you to Microsoft official website. Click on it and then click download tool now. It takes about 5 to 6 seconds to download the software, and then close it and go onto your download, and here your media creation tool. So right click on it, run as administrator, click yes. It takes a bit time to load. Now application notice and license terms, I'm sure you'll read it and then accept. Now Microsoft Windows 10 gives you two options: upgrade this PC now or create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file. So I'm going to click on create installation media and then click next. Select language, architecture and edition. So untick it, and then you can select whichever language you want to install it to, and edition Windows 10, architecture 64-bit, 32-bit or both. So I'm going to click on both. So that will create a Windows 10 bootable USB for 32-bit and 64-bit. So when you try to install it, and it will give you a choice of which one you want to install, 32 or 64-bit. Then click next. Now I'm going to create a USB flash drive, so tick it and then click next. Now it's asking me to select the USB flash drive. So it has selected the flash drive automatically, removable drive E. So just double check on your PC, removable USB drive E. So that's the one is selected. So I'm going to click next. Then download process takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Just hang in there, and once it's ready it will show you. I'm going to skip the process, and once it's completed I'll show you. That's it, your USB flash drive is ready. So once you see this message, just click on finish. Now go on to your this PC and USB drive E. There you go, setup is here. So if you wanna install a laptop or computer, just plug in the USB drive and boot from the USB. So different computer has different boot menus option. Most of the computers are F2 or S button or delete button or space button. So Dell has is F2 or F12, and HP is F9. So whichever option is available for you, or whichever computer you are using, just type on Google and you will be able to find out what's your BIOS boot menu is. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.